Get paid to read emails. Read one email and get paid. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make a lot of money just reading emails. If you repeat the same step again and again, you can make double the amount of money you have made. People all over the world are making money online by simply clicking on emails and getting their withdrawals almost instantly. In today's video, I will show you a quick method and also give you a bonus tip on how you can click emails and be able to make money online over and over again for absolutely free. You don't need any experience at all to do this. This site is open to everyone from any country in the world. But before we begin, welcome to my channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy. And also, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let us dive straight into the video. Now first, we need a personal email account so that you can be able to receive emails in your inbox. From there, you will be able to open the email sent to you and make a lot of money. I believe most of you watching this video already have an email address. You can of course use your existing email address, but I would prefer you to create a new Gmail account, which is totally free. To do that, go to google.com and I want you to search for Gmail and hit enter. Once you do that, click on the first link right here and you will be redirected to the page right here. Now all you need to do is follow the process and create a new Gmail account. All you need to do is put in your first name, your last name, your username, your password, and confirm your password. Right now, I assume that you have your email address ready with you. Go to this website right here, clicksgenies.com. This is where you're going to be paid to read emails online. As you can see, get paid to read emails make up to 0.042 cents for every email you read. If we scroll down right here, as you can see, it has a friendly interface that is very easy to use. It also has multiple earning options. You earn money from reading emails at your own pace, and you earn even more by inviting friends to the platform. It has multiple levels of commissions where you can earn more for every active referral you get, up to 320% commission. As you can see, ClicksGenie is safe and secure to use. They use two-factor authentication. This website is transparent, which means all your earnings can be tracked and verified inside your account area. Lastly, this website is super fast. If we scroll down again, as you can see, your payments are going to be instant. Payments on ClicksGenie are instant. You request payout and you are paid in minutes. And your first minimum payout is just 0.01 cents. They also have a multiple payments options. You can get paid through Bitcoin or perfect money instantly. Again, if we scroll all the way down right here, as you can see, there are currently 379 people online, and they have paid up to $9,385 in total to all their customers. If we click this button right here, where it says proofs, we are going to see all the payment proofs on this website. As you can see, they have paid people all around the world on this page. If you keep scrolling, you will see a lot of payment proofs. That being said, back to the home page. But guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now let's get back to the video. Now to get started with this website, all you need to do is scroll all the way back up, and once you do that, you can click right here where it says register. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page, and right here, you will have to put in your username, your email address, your password, and confirm your password in verification. Once you do that, you are going to land on this page right here, which is going to be your dashboard. Right here, they're going to show you how much money you're earning currently on this website. So you have your main balance right here, you have your purchase balance, and you have your commission balance. Whatever money you make will appear right here. And right here is the referral link. All you need to do is copy the referral link and share the link to make more money. And right here, this graph shows how many people you have referred so far and money credited to your account. So when you click right here on the statistics and then click on the drop down leaderboard right here, Now, right on this page, you're going to see people from all over the world that are making a lot of money. For example, as you can see, we have the top 10 users right here and the amount they have made using this website. We have $2,000, we have $1,000, we have another $1,000 and more. And right here, we have the top 10 countries that are using this website. And they include Brazil, India, France, Russia, United States, Morocco, Pakistan, Ivory Coast, and Algeria. And so many different countries, tens of thousands of members are invited every single day to click on emails and make money on this website. Now, before I forget, once you finish registration on this website, I want you to go to your email and check your email inbox and look for an email with the title Activation Link. The email will be sent by ClickGenie, as you can see right here. All you need to do is click on the link and finish your registration process and verify your account. Now, another very important tip, you're going to receive another welcome email by ClickGenie saying you have now successfully registered and ready to earn. The next thing to do after you have received your email is that they want you to add your email to your contact list so that from there you can receive emails and earn money. Now, another tip that I want to show you is that you should make sure that you don't do this mistake at all. Keep in mind that if you don't visit any of the apps or emails they are going to be sending to you, or even when you don't log in to your account at least once every 15 days, your account is going to be deleted and you will lose all of your earnings. So to keep your earnings, just make sure you log in every single day or at least twice a week and just click on the emails and read them. Now from here, actually you are going to be receiving a lot of emails from ClickGenie, and all you have to do is just click on them and open them. They are going to be sending you special links. Just click on the links and it will take you to a random website. Another very important thing to take note of, you don't have to actually do anything on these websites. All you need to do is just stay on the websites for at least 30 seconds and the money will be automatically credited to your account. Now you may be wondering why they pay you money to read emails and click on emails. Well, that is because they hope that when people visit the websites and buy some things, they will get commissions. And from that commission, that's how they earn money and pay you. You can do this again and again and make a lot of money from it. So right now, I want to review to you a free bonus tip. So what you're going to do is you're going to create as many Gmail accounts as possible and use them on this website. With that, you're going to have a higher chance to receive more emails and earn even more money. And finally, that is how you're going to earn money online reading emails. I hope that you've gotten something very informative from this tutorial. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos, you will be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.